Do you want to attract more pleasant and joyful energies into your life? Are you someone who has a deep connection to the earth and feels motivated to help heal the world? Then Rainforest Jasper is the crystal for you. Use Rainforest Jasper in your daily meditation as it brings peace and restores your faith and confidence. Rainforest Jasper is perfect to wear in jewelry form, especially in the areas of the heart chakra and the solar plexus chakra, which can aid in manifestation and help to inspire you and motivate you to achieve more within your life. Also, carry Rainforest Jasper tumbled stones with you when you're on the go to help strengthen feelings of self-respect, self-value, and bring feelings of hope, renewal, and positive energy. In addition to wearing and carrying Rainforest Jasper, it can also be placed in the southeast area of your home, which will help with motivation, achieving targets, and goals. I also like to place Rainforest Jasper in my home to encourage more joy, happiness, and loving energies to flow throughout the space. All right, to cleanse, Rainforest Jasper is a water-safe crystal, as we know from the Mohs hardness scale, which is a 6.5 to a 7. So it has a nice hardness to it. So you are safe to run this under water for about a minute to cleanse it. You can put it in the ocean, put it in the rivers, the streams, however you like to cleanse it. But I really like to use running water personally because I feel like you just envision cleansing. You can also use your preferred method of smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or even placing it under the full moon.